Hi guys, so I want to talk a little bit about the packages at CTA and how we work with you. So there's three main ways. I know you're probably interested to learn about price, how much an accountant costs. It depends how you want to work with an accountant, particularly how you want to work with us. So if you want the essentials, that's more about the finance foundations, being your accountant, filing the end of year taxes, filing the end of year accounts. The finance department is also part of that. That's essentially being your bookkeeper. Are you going to do your own bookkeeping or do you want us to do your bookkeeping? And that involves doing your payroll, submitting your VAT returns, and all those kind of essential things. As we move on to number two, that's a more proactive accountant. That's going above the minimum. That's meeting more often to help you understand your numbers and to make better decisions in your business. So if you're a growing business or you've got an entrepreneurial style business, then you really need to understand your numbers to make better decisions. And one of the ways we do that is we use the profit first system, which is pretty much guaranteed to increase your profits and increase your cash. And we've done it for dozens and dozens of businesses. We use the system in our own business, but it involves more regular meetings and understanding your business in a lot more detail. Wealth maximization is things like tax planning and understanding your long-term plans. So how that, what that looks like in terms of our services is really we're starting from 129 per month for a limited company to be your accountant. So that's to do all of the essentials. As you can see from the bottom, that is to keep HMRC happy. We do your accounts, we do your personal tax return, you get access to an accountant, you can ask all the questions you need to ask. You get the support from the team, you get access to the Profit First Club, which gives you tips and tricks just to help grow your business and also around Profit First. So you can sort of learn how to implement that yourself in the business. As we move up to the different levels, so as we move up to Silver, it's what I call a proactive accountant. So we will give you a financial plan and a 12-month profit plan. So you know how much to set aside for your tax, how much to pay yourself, how much you should be really spending on your expenses, how much to set aside for your VAT, all those sort of things. In addition, we'd have a quarterly performance report, we'd do your VAT returns, and we've got some extra meetings. We've got the annual accounts and the complimentary client review meeting. So it's a far more hands-on package. You don't need to start there. If you're just starting out, you might want to start in the bronze. But if you're looking to grow a business, it's going to give you a lot more support. The difference is when we get to the gold package is you'll get monthly reports instead of quarterly, but we are physically meeting you every single quarter to go through the numbers with you. So that feels like you've got an accountant in your team, in your business, as opposed to being external. So it just gives you a lot more hands-on support. Platinum are for people that want a lot more. You kind of want an FD. An FD would cost about £80,000 a year to hire a finance director in your business. And we help, it crosses over with business coaching because we can help you with your business plan, your forecasting, your budgeting. There's a lot of tax planning. We help you measure the right things in your business every week. So that's for people that want to go quite fast or you've got super growth plans in their business. Finally, we've got bookkeeping. So there's different levels of bookkeeping. So this is all about being your accountant. This is all about being your bookkeeper. And for most businesses, the standard bookkeeping's fine. The finance department is if you want someone to pay your wages to your staff, to pay your suppliers, to log into your inboxes. So we can kind of offer that finance VA type support as well. Any questions, just feel free to reach out. Thanks.